Brief accurate and important news of today's Wednesday. Maulavi Zabihullah Mujahid said in a response to the latest UNAMA report, spreading negative reports in the current positive situation means hatred and resentment, which should be stopped. Kabul Governor Sheikh Muhammad Qasim Khalid says that no religious restriction have been imposed on Shia citizens and they can perform their religious ceremonies in a safe atmosphere without any worries. The Ministry of National Defense says, in the command of joint military training of Hazrat Abdullah ibn Masood, 327 particular vehicles were overhauled. The professional security guards of the National Enterprise of Public Protection, who were trained in Islamic and national spirit, partook in the national and international exposition of Imam Abu Hanifa in Kabul today. Publishing a newspaper says after the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan come to power for the first time, the first flight between Balkh and Turkey was officially launched by Calm Air. Kabul municipality says the construction work of the subroute has begun in the Shamalzo area of the 14th district. The National Bureau of Statistics and Information says that the previous month Afghanistan exported more than $100 million worth of commercial goods.